Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to divide fractions, right? So let me take an example. Let's say how to divide 3 by 5 by 2 by 3. Here divisor is 2 by 3, right? So how to divide 3 by 5 by 2 by 3? Since 2 by 3 is here a divisor, right? The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. That is, you have to change the numerator and denominator. So divisor, the reciprocal divisor of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay. To divide 3 by 5 by 2 by 3, we just need to change this division signs by multiplication, and then we have to take the reciprocal fraction of 2 by 3. The reciprocal fraction of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Just you have to flip the numerator and denominator. Now we have to just multiply. Okay, to multiply fraction, what we know? We know that we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So basically we are getting 9 over 10. So this is the answer, right? So division means multiplication by the reciprocal of divisor. I think you have understood what I want to say to you. Okay, let me take another example. This is the example of a division of the division of a fraction by another fraction, right? Okay, let me take another example. Look, how to divide 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 3. Look, this problem means we need to divide 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 3. This minus can go with 1 or can go with can go with 3, right? You can write this minus to any place. However, I am writing at the numerator. So how to divide this? Okay, so here divisor is 1 by 3. So the reciprocal of this fraction is 3 over 1. You can put a minus here or here, right? You can place anything. You can place any to any place, right? So to divide this half by minus, so we're getting here this, right? So we need to multiply 1 times minus 3 divided by 2 times 1. That is, we are getting here minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the answer, right? Okay, so this is the example of the division of a fraction by a negative fraction. So let me take another example. How to divide 3 over 5 by 2. So this 2 is an integer. So how to divide a fraction by a integer or whole number? How to divide a fraction by a whole number? Okay, so we can write 2 like 2 by 1. That's, look at here, we can write 2 as a fraction, right? Now 2 2 by 1 here is a divisor, so the reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. So now what will I do? I will change the division sign, and then I will take a reciprocal of 2 by 1, that is half. So now I need to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So we are getting here 6 times 10. That is, if I reduce to lowest term, then I have to divide both by 2. So that will give me 3, and if I divide by 10 by 2, then 5. 3 by 5. I am getting this, right? Okay. Let me take another example. How to divide 3 by 5, 2 and 1/2. So how to divide a fraction by a mixed fraction? 2 and half is a mixed fraction, right? So how to divide? Okay, let me tell you that at first we have to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So to do so, what can I do? I can multiply this denominator with the integer, plus I will add the numerator, then I will place the denominator. So we are getting here, look, 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So 3 by 5, 6 by 2. So to divide, we have to divide 3 over 5 by 6 by 2. So here 6 by 2 is divisor. So we have to take the reciprocal of 6 by 2, that is 2 by 6. Now I will change the sign and I will take the reciprocal of this fraction. So basically we are getting here this. So now I need to reduce, right? So I can reduce, if I divide this 3 by 3, then I am getting 1, and if I divide this 6 by 3, then I am getting 2, right? If I divide this 2 by 2, then I am getting 1. If I divide by 2, then I am getting 1. So we are getting here 1 times 1. Here we are getting 5 times 1. So basically we are getting 1 divided by 5. So this is the answer. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.